Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and our today's topic is polymorphism in C#, the third pillar of object-oriented programming. So let's get started. Polymorphism. What is it? Polymorphism, poly means many and morph means forms. So one interface and it has multiple implementation. So basically one method and then it could have the different behaviors. So imagine a zoo with 100 animals, one line of code that is animal dot speak, but each animal makes its own sound at runtime. Same interface but different behaviors. Types of polymorphism. So there are two types of polymorphism. One is the compile time, which is called method overloading, and another is the runtime, that is method overriding. Today we will focus on compile time polymorphism. So let's look at it. What exactly it is? Compile time polymorphism or overloading. Overloading, when multiple methods have same name and different type of parameters or number of parameters, then we say the method is overloaded. Compile time polymorphism is applicable in the same class. Compiler knows which method you are going to call in the main method. So let's look at one example. Here we have public class calculator, and in this calculator class we have three methods which has same name, right? You can see add method is there, and in the first add method we have two parameters of type integer, and in the second add method we have two parameters of type double. In the third method we have two parameters of type string. So we can say in this calculator class this add method is overloaded. Why is it so? Because we are passing different type of parameters, or you can say the number of parameters. Although we have here, there are two parameters only for each and every add method, but the number of parameters can increase, right? So that is the method overloading. And in the main method, you can create an object of calculator and then you can call this add method, right? And here compiler knows like which method you are going to call. So when you pass integer here, then compiler knows like you are going to call this add method which has the integer parameters, and in the similar way it knows which parameters you are going to pass, right? So that is the compile time polymorphism. Let's look at it in action in the Visual Studio. Yes, so here I have same calculator class and it has three methods, and also we have the number of parameters, or you can say the type of parameters are different, right, in all these three add methods. So in main method, when you create an object of calculator, let's say var obj equal to new calculator, and when you call this method, right, so let's look at it, obj dot add, and then when you give the parenthesis here, then you can see there are three methods here of add, right? So this first one is of it is taking the double parameters, and if you click on this arrow, then you can see this is the integer parameter add method, right? And this one is the string parameter add method. So there are three method of add, so and which has different parameters, right? So this is called function overloading or overriding. So let's pass the value for, let's say, integer. If I pass integer 2 3, right, and then here basically it will return something, right? So here it returns the integer type. So here we can write like var int result equal to obj dot add 2 3, and then we can print it. So let's say integer addition 2 plus 3, right? And then similar way we can create double result, and then we can print like double addition 2.3 and 3.5 is the result, right? And the third one is, let's say, the string result, correct? So in this way it is there. Let me put a space here, yeah, okay, and let's run it and see the result. Better to put a breakpoint here and see the result. So let me put a breakpoint here. and then run it. So when you press F11, or which method it is getting called, right? So that is the case, and it returns the result, int result 5. And in the same way we have the double and string. So here is the result: integer addition 2 plus 3 5, double addition 2.5 plus 3.5 is 6, and then we have the hello comma world, that is the hello world, right? So method overloading is something that one method having different implementation, right? So and that should be in the same class. That's why it is called method overloading. Here you have overloaded this add method with the different types of parameters. I hope you understood this concept, what exactly the method overloading is, and in our next video we will see runtime polymorphism, that is the method overriding. So thanks for now and have a great day.